Jublia Solution with Applicator is used to treat toenail infection caused by fungus. It works by stopping the growth of certain types of fungus. This medication belongs to a class of drugs known as azole antifungals and treats only fungal infections. It will not work for other types of infection, such as those caused by bacteria. It is important to use this medication as prescribed and not to overuse it, as unnecessary use or overuse can lead to its decreased effectiveness. The optimal time to apply Jublia Solution with Applicator is usually once daily. Before using Jublia Solution with Applicator, it's important to read the patient information leaflet and instructions for use from your pharmacist. If you have any questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist. To apply the medication, make sure to clean and dry the infected toenails beforehand. Wait at least 10 minutes after showering, bathing, or washing before applying. Use the provided brush to apply the solution to the infected toenails, making sure to cover the toenail, toenail folds, toenail bed, and under the edges of the toenail. Be sure to wash your hands after using it. Use this medication once daily for 48 weeks, or as directed by your doctor. If this medication is used on a child, an adult should apply it for them. It's important to use it regularly at the same time each day to get the most benefit from it. Continue to use this medication for the full time prescribed, even if symptoms disappear after a few days. Nail fungus treatment usually must be continued for a long time so that healthy nails can grow and replace the infected toenails. Stopping the medication too early may result in a return of the infection. If your condition does not improve or worsens, be sure to inform your doctor. And as a precaution, avoid using the medication near heat or an open flame. If you experience irritation, pain, blisters, or ingrown toenails at the application site, stop using Jublia Solution and consult your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they believe the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Serious allergic reactions are rare, but seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. If you notice any other effects not listed here, contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you're in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Jublia Solution with Applicator, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies, especially to other azole antifungals. This product may also contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions, so it's best to talk to your pharmacist for more details. Discuss your medical history with your doctor or pharmacist before using this medication, and be sure to inform them of all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products, before having surgery. If you are pregnant, use this medication only when clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's also important to consult your doctor before using this medication if you are breastfeeding, as it's unknown if the drug passes into breast milk. When using Jublia Solution with Applicator, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions can impact how your medications work and may increase the risk of serious side effects. It's essential to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products. Share this list with your doctor and pharmacist to ensure the safe and effective use of Jublia Solution with Applicator. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Be sure to follow their guidance to minimize the risk of adverse effects and maximize the benefits of this medication. As always, consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice on the best time to use Jublia Solution with Applicator and the appropriate daily dosage for your specific needs. If this medicine is swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to call 911 immediately. Otherwise, contact a poison control center right away. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Always keep this medication out of reach of children and pets. It's important to note that you should not share this medication with others. This medication has been prescribed specifically for your current condition, so it's important not to use it for any other condition unless directed by your doctor. In that case, your doctor may recommend a different medication. Remember to always follow your doctor's instructions and not to share your medication with others. If you forget to use the Jublia Solution with Applicator, use it as soon as you remember. If it is almost time for your next dose, skip the missed one and use the next dose at the regular time. Do not use extra medication to make up for the missed dose. Make sure to store the Jublia Solution with Applicator tightly closed and upright at room temperature, and do not freeze it. It's important to keep it away from heat or open flame to prevent it from catching on fire. Also, be sure to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When you no longer need the product or it has expired, make sure to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. And remember, never flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.